A for apple. A for apple. A for apple. Oh, B for ball. B for ball. B for ball. C for cat. C spells cat. I'm a happy fluffy cat. Meow. D is for dog. D for dog. What? I'm so happy to learn with you. Let's say it again. D for dog. E for egg. E is for egg. 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 E is for egg. F for fish. F is for fish. F fish. F for fish. G for grapes. Grapes are juicy and sweet to eat. G is for grapes, yummy and fun. H for hat. Hello, I'm a happy hat. H is for hat. Hooray, let's learn together. I have ice cream. I for ice cream. Ice cream for ice cream. J for jug. J for jug. J for jug. Hi, I'm a kite. K for kite. Let's learn together. See you next time. L is for lion. See the big L up here? It stands for lion, like me. L is a super letter. L for lion. Yay! M for moon. Hi, I'm the moon. M is for moon. Let's learn together. Hi, I'm a net. See the colorful text above me? It says net. Hi, net, and it's speed fun. O for orange. O for orange. O is for orange. Orange, orange, yummy orange. O for orange. P for parrot. Hi, I'm a happy parrot. P stands for parrot. Pop, pop, P. Let's say it together. P for parrot. Hi, I'm a queen. Q for queen. See? The Q is right here. Q is for queen. Isn't that great? Yay! Thanks for learning with me. R for rabbit. 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 S for sun. Hi friends, I'm a train. The letter T is for train. T, train. Chugga chugga. See you next time. Hi them, U for umbrella. Let's learn the letter U today. U is for umbrella. Hi friends, I'm a van. V is for van. Let's bounce and learn together. I love my family inside. See you next time. Hi, I'm a watch, and I'm so happy to meet you. See my name? It starts with the letter W. W is for watch. Let's learn together. Hi, I'm a xylophone. X is for xylophone. Xylophones make music with colorful bars. Let's play some notes. Y for yo-yo. Let's make it bounce. Up and down we go. Yay, fun with and yo-yo. Z is for zebra. Zebra starts with the letter Z.